G'day teachers. I'm using a software program called Community Clips to actually record myself recording a video using Screencast-O-Matic. So let's see how it works. Okay, what I have in front of me here is a page of a flip chart that I created some time ago. And let's say that I want to record just this page here. So what I have to do first is I come down to my little toolbar and I click on the Screencast-O-Matic icon. So I've already installed the software. And first thing I have to do, and normally this is already set, so I don't know why it isn't in this case, is I have to select which part of the screen I want to record. A little bit of preparation. Browser sometimes can get in the way. So when I'm using Active Inspire, I'll turn the browser off. I also look at the pages that I'll be recording. In this case, it's only 2 pages. I've got this little stop sign down there to remind me that don't go any further. So I just check that everything looks good. Make sure that I've got at the board mode, not design mode. And I want to be accessing my calculator, so make sure the calculator is available. Now there's my start button, and there's my microphone. So I can see that my microphone is working, and with this particular microphone, I can actually, well, in fact I can't. It says this mic doesn't support volume control. Normally it does. It's probably because I'm using community clips, so it's getting in the way. So I'll cancel that. So I've checked that my microphone's on. I've got my record button there. I've set my size. I've checked that everything looks good. And I've turned it into at the board mode. Let's go ahead and do about a 10-second recording. G'day students. In the last video, you were taught about 3 trig ratios. The sine ratio is the opposite over the hypotenuse, the cosine ratio is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and the tangent ratio is opposite over adjacent. And SOHCAHTOA can be used to remind us of those things. Okay, I'm going to stop the video now. I will show you, though, that you can bring in other software. So, for example, if I want to use a calculator, I can bring up my calculator from my toolbar down at the bottom, and then just minimize it. And okay, I'll stop my video there and save it to YouTube. So I just come down here and click on Done. If I make a mistake, I can click on Restart, but Done will do me. Okay, so the Screencast-O-Matic's already open, so now it says, what do you want to do? Well, I could delete it, but what I'm going to do is upload it to YouTube. So the first thing I have to do is just record it. I'll call it recording a recording and publish to YouTube. And now I've got to type in a description. I could put some tags in. The category is education. I'm making all my videos public. I just choose normal quality. I could do a higher quality and a lower quality. But pretty much all I do is just title, description, and upload to YouTube. It's that easy. So it's now encoding my video. It will then save it. And while that's happening, I can click on Recordings, click on Record, stop, and go ahead and start my next video. So I'm now ready to record my next video. So in the background, my first video is being saved to YouTube, and I can go ahead and do another one. So it's very, very quick. And that's pretty much about it. So making Screencast-O-Matic videos and uploading to YouTube once it's all set up is quite easy. And now I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording. So I think that's Control, Alt, and T.